Today's useful Italian expression is meno male. Meno male means it's a good job, it's a good thing, thank goodness. Just like its English counterpart, meno male can be used as an exclamation, usually in reply to something positive. For example, ha smesso di piovere. Meno male. Ho trovato la chiave. Meno male. As well as being an exclamation, meno male can be used to introduce a sentence. In this case, meno male is followed by che and a verb. Meno male che ha smesso di piovere. Thank goodness that it's stopped raining. Meno male che hai trovato la chiave. Thank goodness that you found the key. Obviously, in English, we wouldn't say, thank goodness that it's stopped raining. We'd just say, thank goodness it's stopped raining. But che is required in Italian to tie the sentence together. Here are some more examples. Piove. Meno male che ho l'ombrello. Meno male che sei arrivato. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really does help the channel. And feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.